really a miserable day. We are now leaving to go to Ragley Hall, one of the big game fairs. Yeah, we're looking forward to it. Just hope the weather brightens up a bit, because that will be miserable walking around in the rain. Morning.
Good morning. I'm driving. Can't take my eyes off the road.
Okay. So, good afternoon. Well, afternoon, it is 5 o'clock we are all set up. As you can see, Paul over there enjoying a beer. I've got a G&T waiting for me. And this place is absolutely packed out already. Whichever way you look. Lots of people. So, oh, and look, he's actually got his Norfolk flag out this time. How about that then? And we have got little Bo in. She is exhausted. She is absolutely exhausted. Ain't you, Bubbo? You exhausted, aren't you? So we put her in there so then she can just try and relax with her bed. And there's Mr. A.
Refreshments.
Refreshments. Did you need them?
It fell over the mat.
I know, that's not being funny, darling, but you did not bring a great mat, did you?
No, maybe not. Maybe not.
Well, what can we say? But cheers. Catch you later.
Friday morning, everyone's off to the show. This place is packed. It's really good though. A lot of people have got the best bib and tucker on for the show. The cars have been streaming in since the early morning. We're just walking to try and find a way in. Cars in the distance are filling the car parks up already. There must be thousands of people here. Brilliant, love it.
They're coming in from all directions.
Eh?
They're coming in from all directions.
Oh yeah. Yeah, multiple routes into the car parking area. That must be half full already over there. Anyway, we'll get ourselves in. This way for the shuttle bus. It looks like this is where the shuttle buses run from. I thought it'd be a tractor and a trailer, but no. Luxury travel. This show is huge. They say country sports are dying. What a load of rubbish. There are thousands of people here. Got a lot to see. Even have a go on the big wheel if you want. Get a good view from up there. I've just spotted the Rydell stand, and I use Rydell clothing. It's brilliant stuff. Brilliant. Can have a look in here, see if I can get some new shirts.
Mid-room displays, and that's going to be the some gun dogs. So we're going to have a bit of gun dog display. The Mordor gun dogs will be starting at 11 o'clock in about 5 minutes time. So don't go away.
Put my order in.
It's enjoy the sun, sit by the main arena. Lots to do, watch in
the main arena.
And that'll be followed by the Pelican Mountain Game.
Doing a bit of shopping, spending all our money. We're down by the lake now. This is where all the fishing demonstrations and tuition is done. Lovely lake. Pan round. You can't see it up there. The house, Ragley Hall, is up there in the distance. So we're just going to go and have a look around the fishing bit. What's good is all around the place is these water points. Fill up your water bottles, fresh water, or your dog's bottles, because they certainly need it. It's hot enough.
Well, we've been walking around for quite a while now, and we were desperately in need of a drink. So here he is with his pint.
Cheers.
And there's Bobo. She's exhausted. I've been carrying her a lot. She's got a cooling vest on. But we're sort of sitting on a hill. Still got loads to walk around. We are here again tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes.
Right, so we're going to swap him out again, and we'll swap over to another one. Let's give him one last retrieve, go in this direction, see if they take the hand signal this way. Get on, get on. Brilliant, we give him a round of applause. Good boy. We may go do a meet and greet now a bit. So, did I throw one up there? Yeah? Heel. Go back, back. It's very important he runs a straight line, yeah? Good lad, dead. Right, so Jagger's got one, heel, heading. Jagger, he's had enough. Good boy. Right, so we've got a couple of lines down there now. So we're going to ask the dog, has a seat, penny. We're going to ask the dog to go down there, blind retrieve. This is what they've been bred for, to pick a bird we wouldn't normally be able to pick. So, what we do, we're going to send it down there. Move back. Away she goes. Stop whistle. Get on, get over. Hunt whistle. Good boy. Right, we've been Mr. Chalk Gun Dogs. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Here, have a good day. Thank you very much indeed.
Hello.
Hello, we've done day one for us. Heading back to the van. We're roasting.
Exhausted.
Bo's had a lot of heat. She's I think she's had enough is what I'm trying to say. Hasn't she?
Yes, she has, yeah.
So
she's had her cooling vest on, but that's still, she just wants to lay down. Like I do.
Yeah. We'll go back and have a cup of tea now.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay. Catch you later. Definitely want to put our lads to do that.
Come on, slow coach. You get a feel for how busy this is. If you like caravans and you like 4x4 vehicles, pickup trucks, a bit like me, you'll be in heaven here. There's all shapes and sizes. Some of the motorhomes are enormous. All we've got to do is find our caravan. Ah, there we are. There's our Norfolk flag flying up there. We're going in the right direction. We are back. Time to put the kettle on. Well, tonight we're having sweet and sour chicken on the Kadak. The rice is doing in the Caravan. The boss has taken 5 minutes break. The little one's having her lunch as well, or a tea rather. People are starting to arrive back for the evening, although it is nearly 7 o'clock I think. There's a guy in this camper van behind here. I shouldn't really be critical, but every time he uses it he has to have his engine running. Morning, noon and night. Don't know what's wrong with it. But, yeah. completed our second day at the game fair. Another long day, not quite so hot. And this is our last night on site here. So in the morning we shall take our time, but we'll pack up and be heading home. Don't want to go too early because we'll get hooked up in the traffic that's coming into the game fair, so we'll let that die down before we make our move. But it's been a really good visit. I've thoroughly enjoyed it, seen lots, spent a bit of money, but yeah. Only thing is, it's turned a bit chilly tonight. Sharon's wrapped up like it's the middle of December.
Hi. It's a bit chilly. The sun's over that way somewhere, but we've got a windbreak there tonight, so the sun's not on us.
There ain't no sun now.
Well, nearly. But
So
we've had a lovely time.
yeah, yeah, worn out.
Really. And
Bo's worn out.
our little Bobo.
Yeah, she's had enough.
Yeah, she has.
So yeah, until the next one.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Yes.
See you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe if you don't already, and hit the bell, and then you'll get notifications when we put out our new one.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Alright, see you in the next one.
Bye.
Well, we're on our way home. We've just pulled into, I think it's Rugby Services on the M6. Quite impressed. They got some caravan only bays, drive in, drive out, nice long bays. There's a sign up there that says caravan parking only. It's clearly written on the road in big letters. Oh look, there's a big Polish lorry in a caravan bay. I'll go and tell him his caravans fell off. Honestly, doesn't that make you mad?